here I've come up with another video in which I'm going to show you some examples of joins basically because joins are very joins is a very important concept in SQL and it is most oftenly asked in the interviews. So today I'm going to discuss about joins. Okay. So I've already created the database and table for you. So let me just show it to you. Drop database joins. Oh, yeah, I have to execute this also first. We have seen this in the previous video. After using this master database, I will use drop database joins. First is currently it is in use. And first I have to execute use master and then I have to execute drop database joins. Oh, just a second. Why is it giving a lot of problem? Oh God. Just a second, my battery is running low all as well. I just need to connect my charger. Just a second, I'm coming in 2 minutes. Then I'll explain the topic and we will see that what is the problem of the program. Can you guys come now? Just a second. Yeah. So, okay. So we are already using this. Okay. So we'll not drop the table. I'll just drop the table only. Forget about the database. Drop table employees. And then after dropping this table in the database, I'm just creating this table again. And then after that, I'm inserting the data in this table. employee name, ID, and address, and then I'll drop the table departments also. Departments. Drop the table departments also, and then I'll create this table again. So basically, mostly will use only these two tables to understand the concept of joins. Got it? And then I'll just select a start from employer and select a start from department. So first you will see like what is a cross join. In cross join, basically both will give the same output. I mean to like both these will give the same output. Like if it doesn't matter if you're writing the employer table first or the department table first, or basically there are these are three ways to write a statement of cross join. First, we can write the employer table as first and department table as second. And then we can write department table as first and employer table and access second table. And also we can write the employer table cross join second, like first table cross join second table. So these all three are the ways of so these all three are the ways of doing the cross join. I'll see like what happens in the cross join. We'll get like for example in this table we have like how many rows in the first table and how many rows in the second. We will see in this output. So here you can see that we have 4 and 3. So like 4 table in the first row and 3 table in the second row. So how many rows in total we will get? 4 threes are 12. So in 4 into 3 equals 12. So in the output we will get to 12 tables. In the inner join, total number of rows would be all the, so this is how we'll write a constant statement. So there is also some important interview question which interviewers usually ask in the cross join. I'll discuss those questions also. But first, I'm telling you like what is the inner join basically. So in inner join, the total number of rows would be all the matching rows of the first table into all the matching rows of the second table and plus plus all the matching rows of the first table into all the matching rows of the second table. What does that mean? I'll just tell you simply by showing you these two tables. So here in this two table, if you will see that if we are like how many rows are matching. If for example, if we are using this table and we are applying the inner join on employee ID. So what it will do is it will uh, like what it will do is if you have seen that 1 2 3 and 1 2 4 are common employee id in both these table, and one is coming as one time in employee table and one is coming as one time in employee table. So 1 into 1 is 1. So like this row with 1, this will come only one time, and this row with 2 will also come only one time, because since 2 is coming only one time in one table employee table and one time in department table. So 1 into 1 is 1, and similarly 4 is so basically this third employee details of the employee id third, this will not come into the output since we are using inner join, and in inner join only those rows will come which are common. So these 1 2 4 which will only come into the output, and there will also come only one time. Let me just show you. So this is a very basic question. One, two, four. SSMS does not support normal natural joint, but it works similar to inner joint. The only difference between does not support natural joint, but it works similar to inner joint. The only difference between inner joint and natural joint is that natural joint can only happen if the joining column has similar name in both the tables. So, I think you have got my point. Uh, so in this case, for example, in our previous example, our joining column was employee ID, and employee ID name like the column, like the name of the column, employee ID is similar in both these tables. So in this, we can also use natural join instead of inner join since the joining column has similar name in both the table. And how do we do that? We'll first write the table, first table name, and then we write the natural join keyword, and then the second table name. So it is like the syntax is quite similar to the syntax of cross join, like from the first table, cross join second table. Got it? And what does we get in the left join? All the rows which you get from inner join, plus if any remaining row of the left table corresponding columns of the right table will show null entries since they will not be present. Got it? So in left join, like the output which we get from inner join, that will come definitely. But along with that, the output would like all the rows of the left table, which doesn't get matched with the right table, that those rows will also come. Got it? So I will I'll tell you like in this what will happen in the legend. So 1 to 4 will come since it was the output of inner join, and similar to that the third row will also come since it is the output of left join. Got it? And in the right join, all the rows which you get from inner join plus if any repeating row of the right table corresponding column of the left table will show null entry. Similarly, like this thing will also happen with right join as well. Like if I'll have to predict the output here, but here the output of right join and inner join would be same. But since in right table there is no like entry left which is not common in the inner join output. So in this, the output of in this particular case, the output of right join and inner join would be same. So this is all for today. I'll come up with next video. Until then, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.